Hi, this is Esther from Xiaomi LED. Welcome to our channel. This video gives you a closer look at our tempered glass broad tight screen. So, how does it perform? Let's see it in action. First, fully seal protection. The tempered glass combined with the module's blue field design provides enhanced physical protection against footsteps and heavy pressure. Second, efficient thermal conductivity. The iron bolt structure evenly distributes heat, ensuring cooler and more stable imaging colors. Third, high load bearing capacity. With the capacity of 500 kg square meter, the screen remains stable even when driven over by vehicles or subjected to dense crowds. Fourth, water repellent, dust proof, wipe clean immediately. Fifth, scratch and slip resistance. The tempered glass surface is hard, wear resistant, scratch resistant, and slip resistant. Sixth, wide range of applications, suitable for use in high traffic settings like bars, private rooms, weddings, stage performance, and exhibitions.